One man, no team, no money, and these man made $1 billion with the AI startup, and this AI startup create the compelling and astonishing result for this man, and this man name is Peter's levels, and this man is struggle is so far, and this man exhibited a lot of the failures, but this man's earned and this month raised the 12 crore just in 70 days. It is not a surprising fact for us, and it's not a surprising fact for us because this man exhibited the reality of the social media and exhibited the best tool for these words, and this is AI. Is a photo editing AI, and these persons and the Peter's levels nature is a magnanimous person of these natures, and these is magnanimous natures to create the new empire of the AI, and this AI startup is a create the best weapon for this man, and this man exhibited how to failure to use, and don't forget and don't afraid to the failures because failure is a part of the success, because you didn't face the failures you can't see the success, and direct reasons is a part of the failures, and we must learn and we must embrace the failures because the failure is the part of the life, and the failure is part of the success. If you face the success, if you face the failure, then you could be whatever you want.